here again. There's a reason to celebrate.
Open TV wishes you
Merry, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
How old Angel I am? Yeah, I am Angel Olufemi Oroshola. I bring you good tidings from the entire Open Television crew. This Christmas 2023 promises to be exciting, scintillating, superlative for you on OTV. Please subscribe to OTV. Turn on the notification buttons to keep abreast of our latest updates from Open Television. Entertainment at its best, exploring new vistas of television. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year ahead.
Thanks for watching OTV.